I have filled inside the rectangular box. I have filled up some information, some color over here. Now very carefully, if you watch, this is called file menu. In the paint, this is called file menu. In this menu, the first two tabs are there. One tab is called home tab, another is called view tab. And in the home tab, we have groups. One is called clipboard group, image group, tools group, shapes group, and colors group. So please note down, there are two tabs, home tabs and view tabs. And in the home tab, there are groups. Groups are clipboard groups, image groups, tools groups, shapes groups, and colors groups. Now, when I want to use any kind of tools, that I will get in the tools group. You can see the tools group over here. And in this tool group,
Yes.
this is called
Yes.
this is called pencil. This is called fill with color. Look on the screen, it is written fill with color. Click an area on the canvas to fill it with the foreground color, or right click to fill with the background color. Now, this is called text. If I want to write any text inside, then I can use this text. So suppose if I want to write over here any name, let's say, yes, who is unmuted? This is Shaurya, no? Who is unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shaurya. Shaurya, look at this. I have changed the color and I'm writing your name. Okay, Sourya. So look at this. I have written Shaurya. Now, where I have written the Shaurya, inside the box, I have written Shaurya. How I have written this Shaurya, I am going to show you once more. From the tools, I am selecting this text box, and then I'm going to write over here. Okay, so I have written the Shaurya. Let me find out another name, if I can write anybody's other's name. So let's say D.
Oh.
Who is this? Okay, Dharya. Yeah, Dharya, no? Okay, Dharya. Okay, so we can say Dharya and Shaurya, the two names I have typed. And those two names where I have typed and how I have typed, you have to tell me. I have taken the text tool from this particular place. This is the text. Insert the text into picture. So this particular drawing is my picture, and inside the picture, when I want to enter any kind of text, I have clicked over here and I have got put over here. First one is a pencil. Pencil, what is the use of it? It is for drawing. So I'm not a good artist, so I'll try to draw somebody's face. Say I am going to draw a face of one of my students. Who is this one? I will write at the end. Okay, so this is your face only. Dharya or Shaurya, both of you very careful. This is your figure now. Now you see here, and this is what exactly I am drawing. Now here, this drawing is a freehand drawing. This is possible with the help of the pencil. Now after drawing this particular figure, if I want to put some black eyes are black, so I want to fill up with the eyes, so I'll go to the fill in the color and I'll put it over here. You see my eyes will become black, so these eyes are black. So this is called fill with color. So filling with any color, it's possible. Like other parts of the eyes, I want to make it red, so I can go over here, red. Now this is red. Okay, so this is red, so this is red. So you can see the figure, and over there figure, there is some boundaries I have created with the help of the pencil, and then I filled up with the help of the color. Next, very carefully watch. I can erase this one. Erase a part of the drawing. Which part I don't want, that part I can erase. Now when I want erasing, there is a control and plus symbol is there. So when it is plus, then it is different. When it is minus, then it is different. Okay, so if you see here, I want to rub. How I am rubbing? With the help of the eraser. See, I am rubbing with the help of the eraser. So I have erased some part of it. So when I am erasing, it is coming in white color. The background color is white. That background color is coming. Okay, so you can see the background colors are coming. Okay, so with the help of white I have erased. Now over here you can see the different colors are there. One is red, one is sorry, one is red, one is black, one is what you call saffron. So we just look at this color. If I want to pick up any one of this, suppose I want to pick up the saffron, so I'll go over here and pick color. So with the help of this pick color, I will just click over here and look at the color one. The color one is changing. What is the color one now become? This is the color one, become the saffron color. How it has become the saffron color? Because I have picked up, what color I have picked up? Saffron color I picked up. Now, if I draw anything now, it will be drawing with the help of the saffron color. Now let's take a pen, and if I draw, this is coming with the saffron color. You can see, can you see the saffron colors pictures that's coming? Now, if I just go and pick up the color, which color I want to pick up? I want to pick up color, this color, red. If I want to pick up the color red, I have clicked over here in the pick color, and then I go over here and then pick up this red color. Now, if I draw with the pencil anything, that will be coming with the red color. Okay, so now if I just want to change the color, I can change the color from here, or I can pick up any color which I've already used in my drawing. So very important things out there. Now, if I just fill up, and if I fill up with any color, that I can pick up from the colors here, and I can pick up and color and fill it up. And then if I go just pick up another color and fill it up. So you can see I can pick the color and fill it up. I can pick the color and just draw the figure. Now next one I will be drawing with the help of the brush. Now brush, when you see, it's like in your drawing you are putting some kind of brush. Now if you want to put a brush, that is possible, and with the brush you can choose any color. Which color you want to choose? This color you want to choose. This is a big brush. I don't need this big brush. I want a smaller brush. I want a smaller brush. Okay. So this is my smaller brush. You can see this is my smaller brush. So if I just go for any other color, other type of brush, I can choose this kind of brush. Okay. So this is a kind of spray brush. Okay. So I want to put some kind of, okay. So you can see this person's mucha, and then you have other things I have drawn. So this is possible with the help of a brush. So when I go for a brush and I get a different shapes of brush over here, and I can pick up any one of those brush and draw in a figure. Next one, if you see, I am selecting a particular part of the drawing. So I will select this part of the drawing. So when I select this part of the drawing, with this drawing, I can do different things. Okay, I can just go and push it over here. I can cut the portion. So when I cut, a rectangular part is cut. So see here, if I just cut this portion, a rectangular portion will be cut. So if I just cut this one, this is a rectangular portion is cut. You can see here the rectangular portion is cut. Now if I just go for free hair from selection, then what will happen? Now from here, if I select this portion like this, if I just select and I will cut this portion, then what will happen? It will look like a square shape, but it will be cutting only the portion which I have cut. Check carefully. I have here, from where I have cut, only those portion is coming, not the other portion is coming. Okay, somebody is raising the hands. Okay, Anuruddha Mandal, what's your question? Aniruddha Mandal, what's your question?
Sir, I have no question.
Then Roy, you raise the
By
hand.
mistake, I have.
Okay, dear. Okay, no problem. Shreyashi Chauhan, what's your question?
Miss, sure.
Yes,
What you will do this cutting?
This cutting, if you want to cut any part of your drawing, then you go and select, and when you select, then what you have a two types of selection. One is called rectangular selection, another is called free from selection. So this is what exactly you see over here. I'm clicking there, free from selection and rectangular selection. So when I cut with the rectangular selection, then only the form of rectangle it will be cutting. It may be your rectangle, it may be your square, but that is a kind of a rectangular shape it will be. But when I look for the free from selection, then I can choose any part of this particular drawing, and that part only I can cut. Just I'm showing you once more. I'm going to show you once more. Here I go for free from selection. Can you see this drawing, Shreyoshi?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now here when I cut according to my wish. It will look like a rectangle, but it will be cutting only the portion which I have selected. Look at this, that portion only what I selected, that portion is cut. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
So this is called free from selection. So we need the free from selection sometime to cut a portion which I need only. Okay, which you need only, that portion you want to cut, then you go for the free from selection. Now next we look at the
Okay,
next
sir.
one. Next one, okay. Now this selection which you have, that you can rotate also and resize also. You can make it big or small also. You just go for resize option and then you drag it to big. So it is becoming big. Can you see that it is becoming big?
Yes, sir.
So how I did that one? With the help of resize option. With the help of resize option. Next, I want to move it. You see this figure. Carefully watch this figure. This figure I want to move. Then I will go to the rotate option. And then I click on right click 90 degree. It is rotated 90 degree. I go for another 90 degree. It is rotated another 90 degree. I want to reverse it. It is reversing. And if I want to flip vertical, it is vertical flip. And if I go for the horizontal flip, it is a horizontal flip. So you can see there are different kind of flipping is possible, and there is a different kind
Yes,
of
sir.
rotation is possible. So rotation and all we do on the image. That is the reason selection and all we do on the image. Then cropping and all we do in the image. So these all, that is the reason this is called image group, and these options are available in our image group. Can you see? Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now next one. If I want to do any kind of things with this copy and paste, let's say copy and paste. First I will select, go to the select and change it to the rectangular selection, and I will just select this portion, Shaurya and Dhaurya. This portion I have selected. Now if I select, what is the purpose of selection? Say I want to copy it. So I'll go into the copy option and I will pull it over here. So when I copy this, I have copied this Shaurya and Dhaurya, and then I just go over here and I want to paste it. So when I paste it, I got the Shaurya and Dhaurya over here. Again, if I paste it, another copy of Shaurya and Dhaurya is here. So I got so many copies I can get with the help of pasting. Once you copy it, that is in the memory, and from the memory I can go for number of copies. Is it clear? Where is that girl? Sreshi, are you there? Okay, let me get into the Anshuman Ranjan is over here, and then who is this one? Lots of questions are raised the hands. No, still. Harshit, what's your question, Harshit? Ask me the question, Harshit. Harshit, you are unmuted. Harshit, why you raised your hand?
Sir, आप लोग को मंडे में
Yes, dear.
होमवर्क
Yes, dear. Tell me. Hello, Harshit. I cannot hear you.
जो
Harshit.
हम लोग को मंडे में होमवर्क दिए थे वो वाला हम लोग को असाइनमेंट कॉपी में करना है ना?
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. That work I have given you, you have to do in the assignment. Regular classwork copy, you note down this information. I have told you various things over here. So I have talked about the call out shapes and everything I have talked about. So those all things you have to note down first. And then I will give you the questions over here.
Where?
In the Zoom class only I'll give you the questions. Okay, so all of your questions will be in your Zoom class. Don't worry about that. Okay, so through the Zoom class only I'll give
No,
you the.
sir, that I'm not saying.
Then what you are saying? Tell
Sir,
me.
you have give the homework in Monday.
Homework on
Yeah,
Monday
but
in the Zoom class. In the Zoom class. Is it in the Zoom class I have given? No, 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 no. I did not give anything in the Zoom class.
copy is in school. Sir, in assignment copy in school.
Yeah, assignment copy is in the school. Okay. Oh, your assignment copy is in the school.
Yes.
How? Who? When you submitted the assignment copy? When you have submitted the assignment copy, Harshit?
When the day was given to submit the assignment copy. When the day given to submit the assignment copy.
That is the exam copy. We have got the exam copy you are talking about, or assignment copy. Assignment copy is given and returned back long back, and the exam copy was taken recently. So which one you are talking about? Assignment copies, everybody got back. Everybody got back their assignment copies. Okay, Harshit?